Today we will listen to a short English composition called
My Grandparents' Farm. My grandparents' farm is not very large, but it is lively, traditional, and full of activity every day. It is located in a small village where most houses have big yards, gardens, and many domestic animals. For me, their farm is a special place where I can experience nature and learn how people live in the countryside. In front of the house, there is a wide yard with a wooden gate and a small path that leads to the main door. The house is simple but welcoming, with flowers near the windows and a bench where my grandparents sit in the evening. The yard is always busy, especially in the morning. Behind the house, there are several animals. My grandparents have chickens, ducks, and sometimes a few turkeys. There is also a small stable with a cow and a pig. I like feeding the chickens and collecting fresh eggs. The animals need daily care, and my grandparents wake up early to look after them. Next to the yard, there is a large vegetable garden where they grow potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and beans. My grandfather works hard in the garden, while my grandmother takes care of the flowers and herbs. In summer, the garden is green and full of fresh vegetables. Further behind the garden, there is a small orchard with apple and plum trees. During autumn, we pick fruit together and prepare homemade jam. Everything feels natural and peaceful there. Life on the farm is not easy because it requires a lot of work and responsibility. However, it is also rewarding and meaningful. I truly love my grandparents' farm because it teaches me respect for nature and hard work. In my opinion, it is a wonderful place to spend holidays and create unforgettable memories.